Hello, so I have here my package of Medusa, and it has a bonus item, so I'm super excited about that. Let's see what I got this month. I think this month they're having their anniversary. I think that's, yes, it is. Happy birthday. We celebrate 6 years of the Beauty Box subscription. We hope you enjoy. Wow, I didn't know they were out for so long. I thought they were out for maybe 2 to 3 years. I had no idea that they've been out for 6 years. That's awesome. Good for them. There's something here. Oh, stickers. These are cute. Love that. I love surprises like that. And this is the pamphlet. Okay, the first item I see in here is this one, which is the Baked Eyeshadow in shade Wild One. Let me open it up. Oh, it's like a purple lilac shade. The lashes, and I guess it brings the glue. These are very natural lashes. They're very tiny. Very tiny. I guess for a natural look. Sometimes I like that. And I didn't tell you the price of this. This retails for $14. The lashes retail for $10. I see here a lip product, a vegan lip balm. And it retails for $10. Keep forgetting to mention that the bag, subscription bag, is $22.99, I think, every month. And you get from 5 to 7 items, I think it is. It's like a chapstick. It's good for dry lips. And I do have dry lips always, so I can keep this in my purse and just use it every time I don't want to use a lip product. I see here the Witchy liner. I've seen this on their website. They were promoting this item. And it's all-in-one waterproof winged eyeliner stamp and eyeliner pen. Oh, I thought it was just a eyeliner. It's a winged eyeliner stamp and eyeliner. And I've been loving those. Hopefully I like this one too. This retails for $22. Ooh, I'm super excited. I thought it was just, I don't know why I thought it was just an eyeliner. Okay, so on one side you have the eyeliner, and on the other side the stamp. So I'm eager to try this out. That's good. I love those. It makes my life so much easier. Cherry Pop Intense Lip and Cheek Highlighting Cream. Oh, okay. You can use this both for cheeks and lips. So let's see what shade I got. And this retails for, I think this is the bonus item. It's not in here. Ooh, look at that package. Oh, it has a seal. It's matte. I don't know if I'm gonna like that color, but I'll try it anyways. Very metallic and more like a peachy orange type of thing, right? So that's the bonus item. And I see here, what is this? Ice cream thingy. Which when I saw this, I got confused. I'm like, wait, because I thought of Ice Cream Beauty. And I'm like, wait, did I get confused? No, this is not that. This is a bonus, foodies, and it is $4.99. But again, what the hell is this? What exactly is this? What? But this is this. Can somebody tell me what this is for? And it has a sticky thing in here, or no, it's not sticky. Okay, what is this? Okay, it's 2 of them. This is This is this. This is what that is this. I have no idea, but it says foodies. I don't know why that makes me think of feet, but I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't say. Okay, moving on. Ooh, a brush. Ooh, nice. I like the handle. Look at that. It's like a crystal. I love that handle. Let me see the price of this. A blush brush. But again, you can use it for whatever you want. You can use it for contouring or bronzer or blush. It depends what you want to use it for. Super soft. Love that. And something else in here. Oh, it's a lot of stuff in this bag. Cocoa Betty coconut oil wipes. Oh, it says use me to remove makeup. Good to know. Nourishing thirsty skin, clear blemish skin, soothe sensitive skin. So this is good to remove makeup. I'm super excited to try this. So in this bag I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. No, actually 8 with this, which I don't know what it is. Huge mystery. If anybody knows, I know there's people out there who know what this is for. So, can you let me know? 8 items, actually. 8 items. Fuck. So, I want to try some of these out and see if I like it and let you know how it works and if it's good. Everything in the bag adds up to $72.99. So, let me try this out. I think I'm going to leave this. I think I'm going to set this aside for a giveaway. So the giveaway is coming soon. I'm still adding stuff to it, so it's not ready yet. Once I have the boxes ready, then I will officially announce it. Okay, so I went in and started off my makeup. I'm gonna finish the eye look with this and see if I like it. I'm just gonna use my fingers now and see how it works with my finger alone. And if I need to wet the brush, I'll wet the brush. I'm gonna wet the brush just in case to see if there's a difference, to see if it pops more. Let me load it up. It's okay, I guess. I thought it was gonna be more shimmery. It's more like a matte satin type of thing. I'm gonna try the brush now for blush. I'm using Medusa's blush that I got, I think, in last month's box. It's a pretty color. This is in shade Frosted Blush and it has a little bit of glitter in it. I gotta tell you about my experience with the lashes. I tried them out, I put them on, I trimmed them to fit my size, and I put them on, right? And it kept popping out from the inner corner. So I got frustrated Because I tried to apply more glue, wait again, and try to stick it in, but it wouldn't. It would just pop out right here in the inner corners. So I took them off. Plus, the other downside to these lashes is that when I put them on, I saw no difference. They're so natural and so short that they look like my regular eyelashes, and I barely have any eyelashes, and mine are short. So if I didn't see a difference between not having them on and putting them on, and I saw no difference, then to me it's not worth it. Unless you really, really like that no makeup look, and you could just put mascara on and it'll be the same thing. So these, unfortunately, I don't like them personally. It didn't work out for me. I don't like the style. Maybe if they would have been a little bit longer, I would have noticed a difference and I would have preferred it better. But unfortunately, this is a huge pass for me. I don't like this at all. The eyeshadow, as you can see, is not really that pigmented. I thought it was going to be more frosty. It's not impressing. That's what I'm trying to say. It's completely lackluster. It doesn't pop at all. I try with my finger, which usually works with everything way better, and then I tried wetting the brush and it was exactly the same thing. So for me, this is not really that good either. It's okay, but it's not like wow. The blush brush, I liked it. It's soft. It got the job done. It's good. I love the handle. It's very beautiful. I didn't try the cheek and lip products because I know I wasn't going to use that. I know I'm not going to like that, so I just put that aside. Then the chapstick, I mean, it's just a chapstick. There's nothing really much to say about this. The winner in this bag for me personally is the stamp eyeliner thingy. Because, where did I put it? It's right here. Because it got the job done. It's super black. I love the fact that you just use one for both sides instead of switching them. A lot of products like that include an eyeliner stamp, they bring a left wing and a right wing. But with this one, you use it for both sides, which I think is amazing. It made everything super easy to work with. I'm not sure if this is waterproof or not. Yes, it is. It's waterproof, so that's good. I think the winner of this bag, of this month's bag, is definitely the eyeliner stamp. This I know I'm going to continue using and I love it so far. I'm a little disappointed because for their big anniversary or 6-year birthday, I thought they were going to bring more products that it was going to be really impacting and surprising and very good. But for me, I think they could have done better with this bag, being that it was their 6-year anniversary. I think they could have added better products because a lot of this, I mean, honestly, if I have to be completely honest, and I have to be honest because I'm not gonna lie here and say, hey, this is amazing, and you know, I don't feel that way about it. For me, a lot of these products in this bag feel like kids makeup, and that would be this. It feels like kids makeup. Definitely the lashes feels exactly like for kids, that you give kids to play around with. The packaging is they're so tiny. It's like you put nothing on. So why go through the hassle of waiting for the glue to dry and trimming them and putting them on if it's gonna look the same? You know what I mean? So for me, this feels a lot like a kid's product. Another product that I'm like not impressed about is the chapstick. I mean, you could get this anywhere. And I know it's cruelty free and vegan, but still, it's a chapstick. I would prefer a lip oil or a lip scrub or just a lip product, a lip gloss or something better than this. Even though I haven't tried it, but still, it's just a chapstick. You know what I mean? Like, you can also give this to kids. And usually you give kids chapstick that has a little tint to it. This one doesn't have a tint to it. It's just clear. So these three right here, oh, and these, which I still don't know what it is for, all of that seems like it's for kids, you know? Do you feel the same way? Even if you haven't gotten the box and you just saw what I was using, and how it worked and how it looks. What do you think about it? Because to me, it looks a lot of things could be for kids. This stamp eyeliner is the winner of the box. This is the only reason why I don't hate the bag. This right here, this product alone saved the bag, in my opinion. Because if not, I would have been pissed off. So you let me know what you think of this bag. You think it was worth it? You think it's worth it $22.95? I mean, I know it's cheap, but still, this was their anniversary box, you know? I think they could have done something wow, something better. I don't know. Let me know what you think. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.